All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chevy Cruze. It is the LT model, LT1 package actually. Red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, about 3 inches. Some more over here. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Or multiple, one or the other. Tire that is just under 7/32. Let me double check. Yep, just under 7/32. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. 10 or more, I'll say. And tire thread here is under 7/32. Above 4, but let me double check. Get in that groove. Here we go. Under 7/32, above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, you power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera, pow. You got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your miles of 32,196. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Keeping the trunk. Button here. Pow. It's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Your rear deck lid looks nice. Here's a nice shot of your trunk and what this looks like. Very big, spacious. Got a spare. A spare tire in here with some tools and such. And I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I mean, the rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread on the 7/32. Look at it again. Just under 7/32. Is your rear passenger seat, the other side of it. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks nice. And tire thread on the 7/32, above 4. Lights are working, car is running, things are golden. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 2016 Chevy Cruze. It is the LT model with 32,000 miles. If you have any questions, any concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.